Want to engage your visitors and collect valuable insights? Wix online programs allow you to easily add quizzes and surveys to your website. Whether you're gathering feedback, testing knowledge, or boosting interaction, this feature is a game changer. In this video, we'll show you how to create and add quizzes or surveys to your Wix website step by step. Let's get started. Why use quizzes and surveys? Using quizzes and surveys can increase engagement, make your website interactive. I collect feedback, understand your audience better. Generate leads, capture visitor emails and insights. Boost conversions, drive sales and customer interaction. How to add a quiz or survey in Wix. Step 1. Open your Wix dashboard and go to Online Programs. Step 2. Click on Quizzes and Surveys and select Create New. Step 3. Choose from pre-made templates or create your own. Step 4. Customize questions, answer types, and design. Step 5. Add it to your website and publish. Best practices for effective quizzes and surveys. Keep it short and engaging. No one likes long surveys. Ask relevant questions. Make it useful for your visitors. Offer incentives. Discounts or freebies boost participation. Use clear call to actions. Guide users on what to do next. And that's it. You now know how to add engaging quizzes and surveys to your Wix website. Want more Wix tips and tutorials? Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for updates. Try Wix online programs today and make your website more interactive.